Look at him. Just keep watching us. Hey, my pals, my kid, the gardener. This is just gonna be a fun video of setting up this garden bed. I won it from Urban Backyard Container Garden. They had a giveaway, and I won this really awesome, nice and tall Vego garden bed. As I said before, I'm trying to elevate all of my garden up from down low because I'm getting older, my back hurts, and so I got another. Well, I won a tall garden bed, so I'm really excited to put together. So I'm going to show, I'm going to unbox it, show a little bit of it, and then I'm going to put it together, fill it, and then sometime this week, it's supposed to be up in the 80s this week, so I'll definitely be able to plant in it. But for right now, it's just the unboxing and setting it up. All right, I'm going to get to it. My wife, my helper, got distracted because there's ducks on the neighbor's roof, and they wait for us to put mealworms and stuff down in the front garden for them, and so they'll patiently, whoop, they're dropping down. I go, they're patiently waiting, and then they drop down. But anyway, okay, so back to my garden bed. So this is how it comes packed. You can see how nice and tall this is. This is as tall as the box. So these are the corners. These are the flat panels, and here's the bag of the hardware. And it came with foam, and so it came really nicely packed. And I can just tell from here everything's in great shape. It's got some plastic on it. I'll take the plastic off this one. It's like, I think probably on the inside and outside to protect it. But yeah, I'm very excited. So now I got the box open. I got the bolts and stuff. I'm gonna get putting together. All right, so there's all the bolts, and it comes with a tool, and it does recommend using a power drill, which is good because that's what I'm gonna do anyway. And you just hold the bolt with the tool, and you use the power drill on the other side to screw it in. It just takes a standard screw, so that's cool. I've had some that use hex nuts and all kinds of things, so this is cool. That's for the top, and there's the braces that go across. So I've got all these panels, and so I can configure it. There's like six different ways you can configure this thing, and I think I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna have it come out wider and not as long. I don't really have the room, so I'm gonna do corner, flat, corner, and then flat, flat, and then repeat it on the other sides. And that way it should come out to, probably come out to about here, you know, stick further out, but it won't be as long. Or you could do it so, and this kind of shows you there's the different configurations you can do. You can do a long bed, you can do kind of a square bed, which is what I'm going to do. You know, it's just the different looks to doing it, and I'm going to get to it. So the hardest part is just, you know, bolting everything together. That's going to take the longest. Filling is going to be super easy. Planting, of course, is going to be easy. Anyway, all right, let me get to it. All right, so I got it put together. So it's got bracers. This is the, let's see if I can zoom out some. So this is a really big bed. So I'm gonna have to move some of these out just to put it, fit in that spot there. It's pretty wide. If I had like nothing in the center, I would put it in the center. Bird just flew overhead. I would put it in the center so that I could get on both sides of it. But I think I should be able to reach over it. No problems. So yeah, so there it is all set up. I'm gonna do like I did with my other beds, where I'm gonna put in place. I'm gonna put the cardboard it came in on the bottom, and then mulch about probably up to about that, maybe that bar there, because you don't really need all this to be dirt. That's just a waste of money. So I'm gonna put natural wood mulch up to about here, and then just topsoil to here, and then compost to about there, and then up there my amended good soil with the compost. I'll show everything when I get it done. But for now, the sun's starting to go down. I think I'll just, like I said, I'll do the fill, and that's pretty much it. I'll worry about planting it later on, like tomorrow or later on this week. So I think I'm gonna make this my pepper garden. Probably use peppers and tomatoes, and of course onions and stuff. But yeah, I think it'll be good. Awesome.